Hi guys, I'm Juan here, up in the sun, we bring you lifestyle and fandom realness. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Before we get started, please go ahead and hit that like button. It really does help out with that vicious algorithm. And subscribe if you haven't already, it's free. Y'all, today is the day that we finally get into these Fantasia pins. Yay! So here are our options. We have Sorcerer Apprentice Mickey, we have Broom, we have Ben Alligator, we have Mademoiselle Ubanova. Like, why can't I say Mademoiselle? I'm getting tongue-tied. Of course, we have my boy Chernobog, and then we have the Hyacinth Hippo. So cute. I have 7 in total, so let's go ahead and get started. I hope you all have been having a wonderful July so far. So many cool things happening this month, right? There's a bunch of summer blockbuster movies coming out, right? Jurassic World Rebirth. We have the new Superman, and we have the Fantastic Four First Steps. So great. So comment down below if you're going to be watching any of those films this month. So we have box number 1. What do we have? I'm going to show you all first. And it's... Whoa! It's Sorcerer's Apprentice Mickey. Whoa, look how gorgeous he is. Oh my gosh. Wow. These are a wonderful size pin as well. I am obsessed. Look at this. He's so great. I just want to say these are also monogram pins. So same company that distributes to Pink a la Mode. There's no waffling in the back. Okay. What a great start. We have box number 2. Now Daphne was mentioning that the glue on these were kind of ratchet. They kept popping off, but you know, cheap glue, it's hot. These are done super fast. Who knows what the case is, but hopefully as long as the pin is intact, untouched, that's all that matters. And the second one here, what are we gonna get? Oh, it's the broom. Oh my gosh. Yes. This is so gorgeous. Ah, my gosh. I am a happy camper. Look how great this is. Here's what the back looks like. It does have 2 pin posts. Box number 3. Just preparing myself. Who do we get? Who do we get? We have the Hyacinth Hippo! Oh my gosh, work, mama! Oh my gosh, one of my favorite scenes in Roger Rabbit is when she sits down on the bench and sends that guy flying. Wow, you work that tutu, you ballerina beauty. Aw, love this. She also has 2 pin posts. Okay, we're getting to the halfway mark. This is box number 4. Now, again, I only have one person and one creature in mind, and that is my boy, Chernobog. We'll see what happens. We have... Oh! Mademoiselle Ubanova! My goodness, she is also a ballerina. I don't know why she's not included in a lot of things, but this ostrich is darling. She's so cute. Love her lashes. I love the bow. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes. I guess Fantasia does speak to me too, because as a former dance instructor, obviously there is dance involved. And so great. And this, oddly enough, has 2 pin backs. Okay, y'all. This is where the nerves start to set in. 4 unique pins so far. Can we finish this set? Let's see what happens. Box number 5. We have Ben Alligator. Oh my gosh, look at him. Oh my gosh, look at that face. He looks astounding. My goodness, he is doing a lot of work too. We're lifting up these big girls. My gosh, love the feather detail and the way his pose is. Oh my gosh, absolutely love this. And he also has 2 pin backs. Okay, box number 6. Y'all, I just need one of these to be Chernobog. My god. Okay, number 6, we have boo. We have another broom. But that's okay, right? Multiple brooms. There's a lot going on there. It kind of makes sense. Okay, dang it. All right, another broom. And the final box. Ah! Okay. Final box. Box number 7. And we have... boo. Oh my gosh, no. Not again. Oh my gosh. Okay. Fair enough. Well,
they got me, gal.
I jinxed myself. I mean, it's still wonderful that I have majority of them. Let's go ahead and see them all on the board together. And here's the final tally. My goodness, so we actually did amazing. 5 out of 6. I am not complaining. My goodness, that almost never happens to me. Y'all know my history with these blind bags. But just for the sheer size of these and how beautifully done they are, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. So here are the 2 pins I have for trade. Is this Hyacinth Hippo and another broom. Might keep the broom because I kind of like the idea of a multiple brooms, who knows. But you can again reach out to me on my Instagram and let me know if you have anything you'd love to trade for. I am on the hunt for that Chernabog. So if you have an extra Chernabog, let me know because I need it to this collection ASAP. But love this. What a wonderful pull. Thank you so much for joining me. That was short and sweet, hopefully for you. Comment down below which pin was your favorite. Are we twinning on the set? Let me know. A huge thank you to all my subscribers. Your support means the world to me. Please continue to like, comment, and share this video out with somebody you think that might like it. We are on the road to 1,500 subscribers, so I really appreciate it. Because y'all know once we get to that 1,500 mark, I will be doing another giveaway. And I may or may not already have some items ready to go. So please go ahead and share this video. Let someone know, hey, do you know about this guy named Juan? He has some really fun content. You should go check it out. I'd really appreciate it. So make sure you have that bell notification set to all so you're notified for future videos like this one. So with that, be safe, tell someone that you love them because tomorrow's never promised, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!